study, how HDFC Life increased organic traffic. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the success story of HDFC Life, one of India's leading life insurance providers, and how they increased their organic traffic through a robust SEO strategy. This case study will give you actionable insights, detailed examples, and tools to help you replicate their success for your own business. Let's get started. Introduction. Founded in 2000, HDFC Life provides a wide range of life insurance solutions, including protection, pension, savings, investment, and health policies. Despite being a well-established brand with strong offline visibility, HDFC Life faced challenges in scaling its online presence. To tackle this, they partnered with SEO experts like Infidigit to enhance their digital strategy and achieve measurable growth. In this video, we'll explore the challenges HDFC Life faced, the strategies implemented to overcome them, and the impressive results they achieved. The challenges. HDFC Life faced several obstacles in their journey toward boosting organic traffic. 1. Limited visibility for non-brand keywords. Most of their traffic came from branded searches like HDFC Life Insurance, limiting their reach among new audiences searching for generic terms like best retirement plans or life insurance policies. 2. Content gaps. Their website lacked optimized content targeting high-value non-brand keywords. 3. Competitive market. Competing with other major players like ICICI Prudential and Max Life required innovative strategies to stand out. 4. User experience issues. Poor navigation and mobile usability impacted engagement and conversions. The strategy. To address these challenges, HDFC Life implemented a comprehensive SEO strategy focused on driving organic traffic and improving user experience. Here's how they did it. 1. Keyword optimization. Conducted in-depth research to identify high-value non-brand keywords such as Retirement Plans India and Best Life Insurance Policies. Optimized meta titles, descriptions, and header tags for these keywords. 2. Content revamp. Adopted a hub-and-spoke content model to create topical authority around key categories like retirement plans and pension schemes. Published blogs targeting long-tail keywords such as how to choose the best pension plan or benefits of term insurance. 3. Technical SEO improvements. Fixed broken links, optimized page speed, and improved mobile usability. Enhanced website navigation to reduce bounce rates and improve user experience. 4. EAT principles. Integrated expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness into all content pieces to build credibility. Ensured all information was accurate and relevant for users seeking financial advice. 5. Off-page SEO. Built high-quality backlinks from authoritative financial websites. Leveraged partnerships with influencers in the finance niche for content amplification. The results. The impact of these efforts was transformational. Organic sessions increased by an impressive 415%. Non-brand clicks grew by 296%. Non-brand impressions rose by 173%. Keywords ranking at number 1 improved by 466%. Market share in retirement category increased from 17.64% to 19.72%, making HDFC Life the market leader. Here's a table summarizing the key metrics. Metric improvement. Organic sessions plus 415%. Non-brand clicks plus 296%. Non-brand impressions plus 173%. Keywords, number 1 rankings, plus 466%. Market share plus 2.08%. Example, optimizing retirement plans category. Let's take a detailed example of how HDFC Life optimized their retirement plans category. 1. Keyword targeting. Identified keywords like best retirement plans in India and pension schemes comparison. 2. Content creation. Published blogs such as Top Retirement Plans for Financial Security or How Pension Schemes Work in India. included FAQs targeting long-tail queries like what is the eligibility for pension plans? 3. Internal linking. Linked blog posts to product pages for seamless navigation. 4. Schema implementation. Added structured data for FAQs to appear in featured snippets. By implementing these changes, HDFC Life improved rankings for retirement-related keywords and attracted more relevant traffic. Tools and resources. Here are some tools that helped HDFC Life achieve their SEO goals. 1. Keyword research and tracking. SEMrush for identifying high-value keywords. Google Keyword Planner to analyze search volumes. 2. On-page optimization. Yoast SEO for optimizing meta tags. Screaming Frog to fix technical issues. 3. Analytics and reporting. Google Analytics to monitor organic traffic growth. Ahrefs for backlink analysis and competitor research. 4. Content creation and management. Grammarly to ensure error-free writing. WordPress for publishing blogs efficiently. 5. Technical SEO tools. Gmetrics for improving page speed. Mobile-friendly test. Google to ensure mobile usability. Key takeaways. Here are some lessons from HDFC Life's success story. 1. Focus on non-branded keywords. Targeting generic search terms can help attract new audiences beyond existing customers. 2. Create topical authority. Use a hub-and-spoke content model to dominate specific categories like retirement plans or term insurance. 3. Enhance user experience. Optimize navigation and mobile usability to reduce bounce rates and improve engagement. 4. Build credibility with EAT principles. Ensure your content is accurate, trustworthy, and authoritative in your niche. 5. Leverage technical SEO. Fix foundational issues like broken links or slow page speeds before scaling content efforts. Conclusion. HDFC Life's journey demonstrates the power of a well-executed SEO strategy combined with content marketing. By focusing on keyword optimization, creating high-quality content, improving technical aspects of their website, and building credibility through EAT principles, they achieved remarkable growth in organic traffic and market share. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with others who might benefit from these insights. And most importantly, subscribe now to our channel for more case studies and actionable tips on digital marketing success. Thank you for watching. See you next time.